fully automatic espresso machine. Thanks to the elegant 360-degree design, you can position the device wherever you like. Fill the detachable water tank with tap water and the bean container with your favorite choice of coffee beans. And let's get started! The EQ700's intuitive, large, full-touch display gives you complete control to customize your coffee. Explore the world of coffee with your EQ700 and enjoy coffee specialties from around the globe. Or even customize them. Expanding your possibilities has never been easier than with the Home Connect app on your smartphone, tablet or via voice control. Program your EQ700 and let the scent of your morning coffee wake you up. Maintenance is easy. The display guides you through all necessary procedures, like cleaning the brewing unit regularly. After every milk specialty, automatic steam cleaning ensures hygiene for your next coffee. What will it be? There's a whole world to discover with your Siemens EQ700. Siemens.